in my YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2020. In this video, you will learn band brake. So as we already discussed yet, a brake is a device by means of which artificial frictional distance is applied to a moving machine's member in order to retard or stop the motion of the machines. So in previous lectures, we already covered single shoe brake, double shoe brake. Now in this video, we will see band brake. You can also join with us by subscribe this YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2020. Also follow Facebook page. You can also join Telegram channel. Link with us WhatsApp channel. Now we will see band brake. So it consists of flexible band of leather or rope or steel line with frictional material which hold the part of the circumference of the drum. So this is the schematic diagram of band brake. So two type, simple band brake and another one is differential band brake. Here in this figure we can see that this is the band. So this is called band and this is the brake drum. So this round portion is called brake drum. This is key. This is the lever, fulcrum point O. A band brake as shown in figure A, it is called simple band brake. So in which one end of the band is attached to a fixed pin or a fulcrum of the lever and another end at certain distance from the fulcrum on the lever. So this is the fulcrum point O, which is band one end and another end is fixed at a certain distance from the fulcrum of the lever. So this is another point B. When the upward force P, so here this is the upward force P is applied to a free end. So this force is applied at the free end at this point C and this force is point C. The lever turn around the fulcrum and tight the band on the drum, hence brake are applied. So whenever it force applied in upward directions from this point C, the band will be tied on the this brake drum and the brake are applied. The friction between the band and drum provide a braking force. In a differential band brake is shown in figure B. So this is the differential band brake. The ends are attached at a distance either side of the fulcrum. So lever AOC. Here we can see that this is AOC. This is the lever AOC is pivoted at fulcrum point O. Two ends of the bands are attached point A and point B. So here in this figure we can see that the simple band lever is straight and here the lever is AOC and band is attached at point A to point B. Differential brake provide higher braking torque compared to simple band brake for the same amount of effort P. So the difference is that in simple band brake the force will apply in upward direction, but in differential band brake the force will apply in downward directions and also provide higher braking torque as compared to simple band brake in differential band. Band brake are widely used in construction equipment as well as automobile as hand brake. So this is the basic of band brake. So if you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now, university important questions. The question may be asked like draw neat and label sketch of the following, that is band brake. So this is the end of this video. If stay on this channel, more video will be come of subject basic mechanical engineering. Thank you.